All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to this morning, afternoon. Let's take the market up. Let's ride the market, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome. Let's ride the market. Share the link with your friends and your family, and let's make money. Very, very important. I'm sure many of you yesterday you make some money, and of course you've learned some stuff. All right, so you've made some money and you learned some stuff. Congratulations. Right. I've posted something on our Telegram group that I'm teaching some persons free. I'm not charging you, but it's supposed to be charged. Now, the training is going to be sent to you, and I'll announce to you the day we're going to do a wrap of question and answer. Only 5 people will be given. I think only 4 people have indicated interest so far, or five, I can't remember. And these are the people I'm going to be putting through, right? I didn't make it a full training, paid training before. Then we had just few people who responded so far, and all the people that have responded so far, the few people that have responded so far, it's going to be free training for you. Okay, sorry, we're just coming in, and gold was already selling. Quite unfortunate, we cannot partake in it. So I was just trying to set up my stuff, and then gold was already giving very nice sell opportunity. Quite unfortunate, guys. I'm sorry about that. That would have been a lovely, lovely, lovely sell. Yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. When I mean lovely, 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 lovely sell there. Amazing sell there. Oh, wow, wow. In fact, the sell was a very powerful one, just like how our entry models actually work. Quite unfortunate. I was busy, but nevertheless, we're going to catch our moment, okay? We're going to catch our own moment. We're going to catch our own moment. Oh, man, this is powerful. This must have done over how many pips right now? This is over 190 pips done, almost 200 pips. All right, so nevertheless, we're going to get our own. So send to your friends, right? We're live. If you can hear me, just type 111 on the chat box if you can hear me. Remember, this week, this is the last day we're meeting on live session, except for Saturday, if you trade synthetic indices, either on well trade or on trading on derivative synthetic, then we meet, right? We meet on Saturday by 1 p.m. Okay, it's like I would like 1 p.m. so much. So meet on Saturday by 1 p.m. for derivative synthetics, right? Meet on Saturday by 1 p.m. derivative synthetics. Okay. Uh, oh my God. Excuse me. Just want to finalize this. Very funny market. Though you have to be careful because there is a fundamental coming, all right? Then you wouldn't want to just hit yourself into the market. You can hear me. Uh-oh. I'm sorry. What happened? Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you very much. Somebody is hearing me. Thank you very much for that. All right. Thank you very, very much. I was doing some experiments today. Okay. Let's go this way. Want to look for a trade and then no stories. Yesterday we teach for whoever that was available must have learned if they pay attention anyway. But at least we have done our bit. It's left for us to maximize and use all what we have been taught. Yeah, it all depends on us. But what I have recognized in this part of the world, the network just messed up. The network just messed up, sorry. So I'm resharing my screen back, okay? I'm sharing my screen back. Okay. How you guys can see my screen? Everybody, please, if you can see my screen, type 222 on the chat box very quickly. You can see my screen, type 222 on the chat box. See my screen, type 222 on the chat box. 222 on the chat box, guys. You can see my screen. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so I said we missed out of golden tree. So we're gonna be waiting for is it DGB AUD is a very useless PS that had been causing a lot of calamity for quite some time now. Yeah, so I presume gold should still continue selling. Ah, that was a very big missed out. Okay, just want to find us a market to trade, and then we exchange. It's still good, 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 good. Good, good, good. Hmm. This buying signal now. So you just wait for confirmation. That's how you trade. But I doubt if it's going to be strong enough. And I don't like a long week like that. So when a signal pop up, you're waiting for it to confirm. So on 1 minute time frame, it's already confirmed on 1 minute time frame. But unfortunately, the market is not too wonderful for the buy. So you can see it's not too wonderful, but for the buy, it's a rejection. It's painful anyway. Missing out of very fantastic. Ah, this is a powerful OJ entry. Mm, mm. I say so. Now this is the challenge. Sometimes when you find a trade, a running trade, the challenge usually is you want a pullback before getting a powerful entry, and so that you can have a proper stop loss. So let's see where in arrive at the support level. So if you're going to give a fallback, we take a trade. But for anyone who have a very big account or you have a cent account, Your power was interrupted. think the power interruption, and so sorry about that. Okay, so let's quickly see. Okay, so let's quickly see. So let's look at it. Okay, this is I'm going to ooh, and funny enough, gold now bought right. Uh, bought. Oh shit, that's bad. The network. I have power failure here, so it interrupted the network. Mm. Used to have done 50 pips already. Good. But I don't think this buy will last so long. Okay, so let's look at what's the news time. I think it's 2:30 today, Thursday. Ooh, it's 1:30. Is he out already? Perhaps yes. Let me refresh. 2:13. Ooh, that was favorable for Euro US. That was favorable for dollar. So Euro USD will further crash. Oh, I see. Euro USD will further crash. USD JPY will bounce back. Okay. So I'm sure we should see crash in Euro USD. Aha. Oh. Although that was a trade continuation we took yesterday, GBP USD to further crash. So just continue to sell my markets. Though that would have been truncated in between. The bounce was already almost happening. Yeah. Okay. Euro USD. You had a sell from here yesterday. Now it's almost recovering. So okay. Euro USD to return back to this point. So let's turn back to our gold. Okay, I have a sell position here that was dragging me unnecessarily. Okay. I was dragging unnecessarily. So remaining position, let's see to what extent can it go to, because these have been among buy since. Let's see the market. Okay. Yeah, when you're trading the currency, they can drag, waste your time for nothing. So let's wait for gold. Perhaps we can find a new entry. I'm sorry, I think the network, the power supply that interrupted us was what caused this. Was what caused this. I'm sorry about that, guys. Well, can you guys hear me now? And then you can see my screen, please. Okay, so let me just look for any instrument if gold has not prepared itself to give us. Okay, let's see. Okay. Because I knew that that buy was not going to buy much. Favor, look up. Is it 1 minute? It's a continuation over here. So let's watch. It's a continuation. Nego this quite tricky. If not rejected at if you ever look up over here. So let's have this. Okay, you can sell gold and take your stop loss above here. So what is very somehow tricky right now, right? Sell gold, put your stop loss above here. So that means you're selling gold. So the main entry we missed was up here. So to sell gold here, so your stop loss above here. Remember, take profit is usually so it's very dicey, right? So take profit is usually 100, 50 pips, 100. So you can target this 100. I do that. This I don't do. It's too long. Let's see how the market TP. So let's see here. So let me check on 3 minutes. A bit dicey. It has refused to close below here. So, well, just ensure your stop loss is ahead here. That's about that's 184. Okay, I make it 186. Okay, 186 to give a buffer. It's about 150 pips or thereabout. So your take profit one will be 5160. Yeah, so your take profit two will be 5156. And third one will be 5150. So let's see a quick review of it. Yes, I told you that gold is a bit trickish right now. So let's see. There's been a battlefield for gold. Real battle. So we didn't have a touch here. Too clustered. Say 5186 should be the stop loss. Missing out from that entry was a very bad one. This GBP JPY wouldn't just listen. Very stubborn. Though those are not. So what's remaining again? I thought we're done with news. So major news is over. Employment claim. That's what bench Euro USD journey. Sorry, Euro USD. Gold is tricking also. Guy. It's creating another buy. Anyway, so let's watch what happened. So this was the powerful entry that we missed. Because we're looking at gold to travel down to this point for things being equal and tap into this, which like 5150. So that's what was going to play with us. Gold is tricking us, man. Gold is tricking and tricking. Okay, so while we have taken that, if you hit us back, no problem. So let's look at any other instrument we can find to, because I know that not everybody actually understand how to trade gold. Okay, USD JPY is said it. Got the news. Oh, power supply was a disruptor. Okay. Gold is streaking back, man. The deceptive instrument. Euro. Oh, okay. Although because of the news now, a lot of market will do resetting. So just understand that. There was some level of resetting. AUDJPY. It's only occasionally that you see the strength. Okay, let's look at one of my slow instruments. AUDJPY. It's apology. USD Chef. See, this is a disruption for this pair. Continuation. Disruption. Card JPY. So why has it not landed? Okay, so let's check something. I'm just looking for a quick one for you guys. Euro JPY. Okay. Let's see, 15 minutes. Okay, Euro JPY. Structure break. So that means need to have a pullback. Right now is a falling knife. It's a recent break. So wait to pull back for a sell. Could have could have triggers. Let's see. Oh, guys, I was distracted so much. Oh, what's going on? You got a regain. So that means other instrument will regain. That means likely for so if we're stopped out of gold because the gain is strength. So the buy continuation, no, couldn't break below this psychological line. Oh man, I think network just want to mess me up today. So rebounds. I know you're going to be stopped out, so it's invalidated already. So let me look for shit. Okay, you respected yourself, right? So that this guy's going to be very slow. So if I have a buy call here, we'll buy because that's what he was trying to do in the beginning before the market was interrupted. Now, once news happen this way, market will be disorganized and then later resume their normal journey earlier. Oh my word. What do we have here? So let's see if this close bullish. So where's GBP, USD, There's interruption. This guy is something else. This trade have been dragging me since. Supposed travel far. That's been dragging and dragging. Dragging and dragging. I just need a clearer setup. Okay. Just finding a nice setup and then